The DJI Avata 3 has finally been leaked. Quadro News has just posted the first image on X, but by looking at the drone, it seems more like a Neo 2 or an FPV Mini. And that might even be correct, since Osita LV said the upcoming DJI drones will be the Neo 2 and Mini 5 Pro. So we'll go through all the leaks about them in this video. Let's get into it. First of all, the shape of the drone is similar to both the Avata 2 and the Neo, with propellers guards and the motors facing upwards. But the ducts look a lot smaller than the ones on the Avata, making the size closer to the Neo. The camera module up front allows 180 degrees tilt, but it doesn't seem to have the roll axis stabilized. While the Neo 2 will likely feature a 2-axis gimbal in my opinion, and the Avata 3 surely won't, since it's more oriented to FPV. So it's still early to tell what it is, because by these considerations, it could be both an Avata 3 or the Neo 2. What is sure for now is that they're both coming this year, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss any new update, and drop a like if this video was helpful.